Hello everybody and welcome back to Chill and Fun, and today I just happened to find a present at my doorstep. Haven't opened it yet, but I have opened the top of it, so it will be very fun to show what I just got. So let's see, what's the wrapping paper? Ooh, this is very interesting. Looks like to be some type of lamp. Let's see if I can just open this. Tough to open, I see. The packaging is really good on this. Woo! So this appears to be the things that you hold the stick with. Camera tools. This appears to what you hold the light with. What do we need this remote for? And this is what I'm gonna guess. I guess is the actual light. Yep, the actual light. So let's put this together. Based off their steps. First, we take this out and put it together. Okay, then you take out the stick, elongate it, and clamp it together by turning it to the side. And then we can put it into the hole and screw it on. Done. Next up, the thing that holds the lamp. Put it on here and turn this around clockwise. Then grab the light, and by the looks of it, you can already put in your phone holder into it. Now we can set it atop of the big pole. It's a bit hard to put it on because it's a bit small, but no matter. Let's untie this. Now we can turn this on to a plug. Down here, we have a plug. And we can turn her on. As you can see, my place is a lot brighter than it was usually, which I am very, very happy about. We can make some better quality videos. And we can make the light a little bit lower or a little bit higher if we need to. You can also change the colors by the looks of it. A nice shade of yellow. It appears that we also have this small remote. So this small remote can actually be connected with Bluetooth to a phone. So let me just quickly go to my Bluetooth and connect it. Turn that on. Got the blue light. The blue light, we click on it, accept it, and boom. Now we can, by the looks of it, change what we want from this. So now we can carefully put this onto here. Hey Mars, what's up? Here to help? Great to see you. Great to see you, buddy. Could you be a pal and take those boxes out for me? Alright. Multitask with this pole by simply attaching this to the pole itself, like this. Attach this to the pole itself. And ta-da! Now you have another area you can hold the selfie with. Of course, it's a little bit down there, but or else it is a really cool find. Thank you to whoever gave me this. With that, I'm just gonna end the video. Thank you so much for how much we've gotten. Love you all. Peace.